When using Profile 6 in a vertical application, we sheet from bottom to top, just as in roofing applications. An eaves closure is often required to avoid pests getting behind the cladding via the corrugation voids. These should be installed first on the bottom rail with a perforated closure between the rail and wall for ventilation. Eternit self-drilling screws can be used and allow Profile 6 to be fixed through the valley of the corrugations with no need for support clips. Position the first sheet and fix at the base directly into the centre of the rail through the second valley corrugation in from either side. The same rule of 2 fixings per rail per sheet applies for vertical sheeting. The sheet should be lapped at the sides by 1 corrugation and mitered to avoid a build-up of fibre cement at the junction of 4 layers of sheeting. The next course of sheets above should overlap the sheets below by a minimum of 150 mm as in standard sheeting. The 4th sheet at the junction then covers the miters. See our dedicated mitering video for more information. Sheets above doors and windows should be finished in the same way as shown. If valley fixing is not suitable due to eaves bend sheets being used, then the sheets need to be fixed through the crest of the corrugations, meaning support clips are required. These should be fabricated to hook onto the rail and hold the bottom of the sheet. 2 support clips should be used per sheet, positioned in the valley corrugations adjacent to the fixing position. Fix into the centre of the rail through the crest of the first full corrugation in from either side of the sheet. The same sheeting layout and miters are required for this type of fixing as with valley fixing.